For over 30 years, Technosoft software has been streamlining the management of jobs, equipment, agreements, servicing, and workforce deployment. It's a big task, but our flagship software, Service Manager, together with Sage 300 accounting software, makes the complex task of managing customers, parts, billing, and field technicians easy by streamlining tedious workflow processes in one cohesive solution. If your company requires a job costing solution or provides services and maintains equipment, either in-house or as a manufacturer or service agent, then your productivity and profitability can stand to benefit from Technosoft Service Manager.
Service Manager integrates seamlessly into Sage 300 as a web-based solution, providing secure, authenticated access for your employees to improve job cost management, preventative maintenance, scheduling of resources, field service, and general equipment servicing.
The optional Advanced Maintenance add-on is ideal for facility management applications such as hospitals, hotels, refineries, mining sites, and vehicle fleet management, supporting scheduled or meter-based maintenance plans, tasks, parts and labor, requirements forecasts, and plan-level dependency.
The Field Portal add-on enables online and offline mobile capabilities for your field engineers and remote staff. With secure, authenticated access via any current Apple, Android smartphone, tablet, or Windows device, your team will be able to access maps, routes, and auto phone dial functions. Record time, labor, and travel. Manage tasks, equipment, and parts. And accept sign-off signatures. And view, print, or email invoices.
Our Service Centers add-on supports your team across multiple locations or departments. We know it can be hard enough managing one location, let alone multiple locations, which is why our Service Centers add-on supports your organization management, geographic work centers, or divisions. Specification of stock location defaults, GL account segment override, separate numbering for all document types, and locking an employee to a service center.
The Advanced Scheduling add-on is a powerful scheduling tool, allowing you to use simple drag-and-drop functions to manage resources, including 3 pivot views, such as Calendar, Job List, and Timeline View. Features include the ability to color appointments by status, priority, zone, job type, service center, and customer. This leads to efficiencies in filtering of resources and jobs.
Raise your level of customer service and efficiency via customer self-service, provided by the Customer Portal add-on. With configurable 3-tier security for admin, general, and view-only access, your customers can log job or quote requests, review and approve quotes, access the dashboard to monitor job and quote progress, enter meter readings, review and pay invoices, and retrieve payment receipts via a secure payment gateway. Customers tell us time and time again that the integration of Service Manager with Sage 300 and Sage CRM not only improves their business productivity and profitability, but also management of their sales process.
This demonstration will run through a common workflow faced by a service company and showcase Service Manager, Advanced Scheduling, Field Portal, and Customer Portal applications. Let's begin with what your back office may see in Service Manager's document entry program. We will open up an existing job which was created for the customer and has an appointment scheduled for our technician in the field. Firstly, we can see that this is a service job for a piece of equipment. We have the task on the job which outlines the activities to be performed by the technician. We can drill into the job further to see the equipment's problem, which the customer reported through Technosoft's Customer Portal application. We can see the equipment is covered under warranty, since the warranty expiry has not been reached yet. There is a notation added to the job to let the technician know that they will be completing a repair, as well as the normal service during their visit. We have included the standard parts required for the service, as well as some labour to make sure that information is captured and billed by the technician and they don't have to worry about it while on site. We can see the jobs totals to determine where we are sitting currently with our revenue and costs, which will give us our profit for this job. Obviously, during the repair, our technician may use more parts, but due to the equipment being covered under warranty, we may not bill those costs directly to the customer. We can check the customer's address before sending the technician out. We have the street address, and Service Manager also gives you the ability to track longitude and latitude. This makes navigating to your client or client's equipment quick, accurate, and much more reliable, reducing downtime and wasted mileage on your vehicles. Now that we have an overview of what back office sees in Service Manager when creating the job, let's now have a look at what we would see as the dispatcher who scheduled the appointment for the technician to attend this job. We come into Advanced Scheduling, which is our resource scheduling tool, and we can see straight away our schedule for today and what each individual person has on. Visually, it's bold, bright, and colourful, which can be configured and help enable you to grab a snapshot of your resource information before any work needs to be done on site. On first look at our schedule for the day, we can immediately see that Andrea unfortunately is overloaded and 2 appointments of hers are overlapping. Paul has some time available this morning, so we can quite simply click and drag Andrea's first appointment over to Paul and drop it where we need it to be. We can see that Andrea's time has cleared up and Paul now has a full day scheduled. Everything we see here can be customized to suit the individual scheduler, so let's have a look at some of those options now. Firstly, I am currently colouring by resource, and although that might not make much sense in this resource view, if I was to change our grouping to say a zone view, then I would see our appointments grouped by zone on where we are sending our technicians. Now that I don't see my technicians' names on the screen, I may want to colour code by technician. I can also add the technicians into the grouping, which will allow me to see who's scheduled already in that area and apply a new appointment for that region to their day. Going back to the employee view now, and I can change the colouring to the priority of work. As we can see, those colours are instantly applied, giving me a quick snapshot of what work I have and how important it is to my business. We can drill into the appointment for the job created back in document entry and see the work we are doing, plus just confirm any other details as needed. We can see the estimated time as 4 hours, and currently there is no actual time billing entered, as that is what the technician in the field will add using Field Portal once they have completed the job. Speaking of which, we will now go into Field Portal and have a look at the technician's view. Once we log in, we see there are 2 appointments scheduled for us, and we can drill into our daily schedule. The first appointment is for the job created earlier back in Service Manager and scheduled to us through Advanced Scheduling. Drill into the job and we can see the relevant job information. We can contact head office directly from Field Portal by using the phone dialer if needed. I can navigate directly to the job by clicking the physical address or Latin long. I can call the site contact directly through the dialer, which helps if I'm on my way to site and can't type the number while driving, maybe just to let them know I'm running late. I can see the equipment information. All information which was provided by the back office has been provided to me here. We can see and complete the tasks that I need to do and also see the schedule. Once arriving on site, I can start the time recorder, which will capture my labour for me. I can add parts and services which I need to do the repair work. These, of course, are the additional parts and services to those already included in the job as part of the standard service. When I have finished the work, I can get the customer to sign off, I can stop my time from recording and add that as actual labour. We are now ready to invoice the customer from the field. First, we retrieve all the billing, and then we are ready to invoice the customer. From inside the device, we can email the invoice or view it ourselves. Finally, let's see what our customers may see when logging into the Technosoft Customer Portal application. I can come in and see that I have some invoices to pay. Drill into the invoices list from the home screen, and that invoice just generated from the technician in the field is first in the list. I can drill into the invoice as a customer to see or print it. This is the same invoice as we saw in Field Portal with the signature and all items and services listed which were part of my service. We can come in to pay the invoice securely and conveniently. So that is a brief overview of the Technosoft system and workflow from start to finish. If you would like to know more about Technosoft's suite of applications, then please visit our website or send us an email. Thank you for your time.